It's so quiet without the band. Well,
No way.
this band is up for later, but
They're
yes.
ready. They're ready.
They're ready.
In the meantime, we'll call another guest, a
Yes.
solo artist.
A solo artist.
Dex Del Rosario, okay?
He is a singer and actor from Maximus Entertainment. Yes. Hello.
Where did you get your shoes? I want to get something like that.
I love your shoes.
Kuha nga yung shoes niya. Ganda, oh.
Can we have
Parang
this mic,
newspaper.
please?
Pwede, pwede ka bang basahin yung news dyan?
Anong size mo, sir?
Okay, Dex, when did you start singing?
Sir, bali, 2 taon pa lang po akong kumakanta. 2 taon pa lang po. Bali, passion ko lang po talaga yung musika.
Okay. Passion.
2 years?
Yes, sir.
2 years.
So you're only 4 years old. Okay.
Sana, ma'am.
So it's not, but you're singing professionally now.
Yes, sir. More on sa mga events and concerts, sir.
Ang dami,
Alright.
ang dami nag-hire ngayon ng mga musicians, ano?
Yes, sir.
Ang husay ng negosyo ngayon ng mga musicians.
That's good.
Okay, so let's listen to Dex.
Magandang gabi po
What
sa
are you
inyong
gonna
lahat.
sing? What are you gonna sing?
So, ang kakatayin ko po, ang unang kanta ko po ay Minsan Ang Minahalay Ako. Pinasikat po siya ni Celeste Legaspi at kinumpos po ng ating magaling na Ryan Cayabyab.
Oh,
All right,
okay.
Dex Del Rosario.
Para sa inyo pong lahat to. Ano na lang yung isang sandali na makatikim ng pagmamahal matapos ang luhang ipinagpalit. Ang sandali di naman nagtagal, ang yakap mo'y hanapin. Akala ko ang mundo na ay akin, ngunit hindi pala ganyan. Kay bilis makalimutan nang minsan ang minahal ay ako. Ano na lang yung konting pasahaki, kung katumbas ay pagmamahal. Pag-ibig mo ay aking lahangin, kahit buhay ko ay handang isukan. Ang tinig mo'y aking awitin habang ako'y kakailanganin. At kung ako'y iyong saktan, ito may gagawing dahilan, pagkat minsan ang minahal ay ako. Ang lingap mo'y hahanap-hanapin sa entabla, nung minsan ay sa akin. At kung ako ay malimutan kahit sa awit ko man lamang, iyo sanang matandaan bago tuluyang lumisan, na minsan ang minahal ay ako. Ang lingap mo'y hahanap-hanapin sa entabla, nung minsan ay sa akin. At kung ako ay malimutan kahit sa awit ko man lamang, iyo sanang matandaan bago tuluyang lumisan, na minsan ang minahal ay ako. Maraming salamat po.
Where can we find you on social media?
Pwede yun po sa Facebook ko po, Dex Del Rosario, and also sa TikTok, Dex Del Rosario. Maraming salamat po.
All right. So you perform in events also?
More on events and saka sa mga concert and more on guesting, ma'am.
Mga guesting. All right. Perfect. So what is your next song for us tonight?
Bawal na gamot po, naka-areglo po siya. Then para sa inyo po ulit.
Yee. All right. Another round of applause for Dex Del Rosario.
Thank you, everyone. Ng sandaling halos di ko alam, naglalakbay ang diwang sa ligayang nakamtan. Gamot na bawal ay ayaw ko nang tigilan, hinahanap ko at inaasahan. Okay, sarap ng buhay kung siya'y aking nalalanghap. Akala ko ang mundo ay wala ng katapusan, at nang ako ay magising sa kasalanan nagawa, kinabukasan ko ay nawala. Pangarap ko'y di mabot dahil sa bawal gamot. Labis ko nang pinagsisihan ang aking kamalian. Okay, sarap ng buhay kung siya'y aking nalalanghap. Akala ko ang mundo ay wala ng katapusan, at nang ako ay magising sa kasalanan nagawa, kinabukasan ko ay nawala. Pangarap ko'y di mabot dahil sa bawal na gamot. Labis ko nang pinagsisihan ang aking kamalian. Ngunit ngayon ay nasaan ang langit na walang hanggan. Labis ko nang pinagsisihan ang aking kamalian. Kamalian. Maraming salamat po.
Alright, Dex Del Rosario, thank you so much.
Po, may pasalamatan na po bago ako po.
Okay.
Unang-una maraming salamat po sa RJTV and also kay Direk Emmanuel Samonte. Malapit na po yung show ng movie namin na kasama po siya sa FAMAS Short Film Festival entry. Ang title po niya is Peke. Kasama po namin si movie actress Janice Jurado, Mr. Ron Sarol, and ako po. Saka si Richard Paraan, Rica Franco, Rina Tugade, Jane Famous, and a lot more. Maraming salamat po.
Alright, thank you so much, Dex.
Thank you.
By the way, this event is made possible by Kaufman Pharma Incorporated, maker of Bravo. Bravo!
Thank you so much. Okay.
Okay.
We're down to our
last
finale, our last number, and we're inviting everyone to join us here
to
on
dance.
stage
Come on.
to dance. Come on, just simple rock and roll steps. Come on, everybody, please join us.
Come over here. Come over here,
on.
please.
Just follow my lead.
Dito
Okay?
kayo. Oh, Wapsi. Yan, dito kayo
Okay,
sa gitna.
let's do it. Dito kayo.
Let's position ourselves very well here.
Come on,
kumpo lang kayo dito. Kumpo lang kayo.
Join, everybody, come on, please join.
Oh, Joy, can you guide them, please? Come on. Guide mo sila. Yan, dito. Yan. Naku,
Yan,
dami natin
Yan, yung iba dito naman,
Okay.
dikit kayo sa akin.
Sundan lang nyo si Mike Cuneta, ha?
Okay, madali lang to, madali lang.
Very talentado yan. Talentado.
Sige na, tugtog na, sir. Okay, let's go.
So, may Venus
Ayan,
number.
oh. Kids will rock and roll.
I've been told when a boy meets a girl, takes a trip around the world. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Say that you do. My girl says when I kiss her lips, gets a thrill through her fingertips. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Say that you do. Talk about boys. Talk about boys. Talk about boys now. Boys. Talk about boys now. Bring out a bundle of joy. Wow! My girl says when I kiss her lips, gets a thrill through her fingertips. Oh, hey. Oh, hey. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Talk about boys. Talk about boys now. Yeah, boys. Wow, boys. Talk about boys now. What about them, George? Yeah. Wow. Talk about boys. Talk about boys now. Yeah, boys. Whoa, boys. Talk about boys now. What about them, George? Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much.
Thank you, everyone. One. We would like to thank all our guests tonight. Thank you, everyone. Thank you to all the televiewers watching. This is Bravo Executive Lounge, happening every Tuesday night here on RJTV from 8 o'clock till 9